Hey, how's it going everybody? I'm making this video to show you why we haven't made any diving videos. The water has been brutal. Check how rough it is. So this is part of the area that I dive, and the surf has been really rough lately. So these cliffs are maybe 20 feet, so you can see how the waves just pounding. So I'm gonna walk around this area and shoot some video, and I'm not gonna talk through all of it. So I'm walking back this way, and there's actually this blowhole. So there's a small little blowhole there. So what that tells you is everywhere I'm walking, it's just ocean underneath all this lava. So I'm moving kind of slow because I don't have my tabis and I have my slippers on, and it's really slippery, especially when it's all wet like this. So I'm standing a little bit further away from the ledge. There's a blowhole going off again, but you can't see the water, so I'm going to try to get closer for you, but I'm going to wait till I get to an area where it's dry, because I don't want to slip and fall in that ocean, because I'm not coming back if I fall off that cliff. So I'm climbing up here. This is the highest point and the one dry spot. So check out that ocean. It's so amazing. You can feel the waves crashing into the rocks. You can feel the spray on your face, and it's just all white water. So I'm not going to talk for a little bit, so you can watch the swell come in and just take in the power of the ocean. Massive. That's over 10 feet above the top of the cliff, the spray. And you can see the blowhole go off right there. I'm gonna walk back, trying to get some pictures of the blowhole, but on my way, you can see the cracks in the lava. Just wanted to show you this, how the surface is separating, and right under that is just ocean. This is Pahoehoe lava, so it's a little bit smoother, and I'm going to show you one of the cracks right here. And this crack goes all the way to the open ocean below, and there's a little pool right there, and it's just bubbling white water. It's almost like a little toilet bowl, or actually it's like a giant toilet bowl, and you can see it flush right there. If you get stuck in that, you're in for a world of hurt. But on a calm day, it's pretty nice to just sit in. So I'm walking towards the blowhole here, so you can see inside it. You can see the water running there through the crack. So it shows you we're inland pretty far, so where the waves come and splash and all the water is running down. And there's the blowhole. So you can't see it because it's dark, but all the way down there, maybe 15-20 feet down, is the edge of the ocean. You can see the spray there. It's so beautiful, it's so amazing. Trying to get as close as I can. There are a couple of these blowholes on this area of the cliff further down. So in this next section, I was thinking of setting my GoPro up so you can get an idea of the waves coming in, but I decided just for you guys, I'm going to hold on to it, because if the wave hits it or the whitewater hits it, it's going to take my GoPro back in the water. So watch these waves come in. This is as close as I want to get to the edge. Here's a big boy coming in. The backwash comes, builds up the next wave coming in, and this is the biggest one of the day. And I'm holding onto my GoPro just for you. I got blasted by that. Just feeling the power of it hitting you. It was pretty amazing. I was totally soaked. And that's it. Aloha.